Good day, guys! So, our lesson for today is all about inverse functions and one-to-one functions. But first, what does an inverse function mean? And what is a one-to-one function?
One-to-one functions. It is a function where for every value of x, there is exactly one corresponding value of y. We can check if it is a one-to-one function if it follows the horizontal line test. For example, 1 matches the value of 4, 2 matches the value of 3, and 5 matches the value of 6.
Inverse function. To know the domain and range of an inverse function, simply change all the values of x with y and change all the values of y with x. An inverse function is denoted as f raised to -1 of x. And if and only if a function is a one-to-one, do we find it as an inverse.
Given set of ordered pairs. Is it a one-to-one function? Do you guys remember the definition? Yes, because with every value of x, there's exactly one value of y. So, it also has an inverse function. Simply interchange the values of x with y.
The given is f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. It is a one-to-one function because we can see that the horizontal line intersects the graph at exactly one point. So going back to its solution, the first thing to do is to write the function in the form y equals f of x. The next thing to do is to interchange the x and y variables. And then, we solve for y in terms of x. Then we divide both sides by 3. The last step is to rewrite y as f raised to -1 of x. And then we have our final answer.
The given problem is f of x equals x plus 2 over x. As mentioned in problem number 2, we must first rewrite f of x as y. Next, switch the values of x and y. Lastly, we must solve for y. In order to do this, we must first clear the fraction by multiplying both sides by y. Now, all the y should be placed on one side. Next, factor out the y. Lastly, to get the value of y, we must divide both sides by x minus 1. It resulted to y equals 2 over x minus 1. We must now represent it as f raised to -1 of x equals 2 over x minus 1. Now, let's proceed to graphing. Here is the graph of the function f raised to -1 of x equals 2 over x minus 1.